Okay, so we are on page 2. Your homework helper is here. Remember, in order to get the most out of this, especially after I've done a few for you, is go ahead and try to do it on your own. Then hit the play button and check, okay? And then if you don't understand something I've done, then be sure you mark that and we can talk about it in class. So again, we're always going to identify if it's in slope-intercept, our slope and our y-intercept. So on my first one, my slope is 1. My y-intercept is 0, -2. And the second one, my slope is 5. My y-intercept is 0, 2. So let's start graphing. The first one, 0, -2 with a slope of 1. The next one, 0, 2. This time we have a slope of 5. Again, that is 5 over 1. I cannot go up 5, so I need to think of it as a -5 and a -1. So that would mean down and left. So I'm going to go down 5 and left 1. Oops, sorry, I did a right one. Hopefully you caught that. Left 1. There we go. Okay, my line is not straight. I can't use rulers on my iPad. So if I can straight, anyway, there it is. But we can definitely tell that we're going to cross at -1, -3. Again, be sure you're using your ruler. Okay, so try number 6. So we have a slope of a -2/3, y-intercept of 0, 3. Second one, it would be a slope of 4/3 and 0, -3. So 0, 3. Slope of a -2/3, down 2, right 3. And again, I could also go up and left. Okay, there's my first line. My next one, I'm at a -3. I am going to go up 4, right 3. Okay, so I could already see where it's going to intersect because I put the same point there. So my answer again is 3, 1. Okay, now I'm going to take a minute here and I want to remind you of how to do a check. Okay, so I'm going to check number 6 and remind you how we do that because you will have to check one on the test at least. So if I am doing a check, let me just write this down. My answer is 3, 1. So I am going to put in that into my equation. So y is 1. X is 3 plus 3. I'm going to simplify. And I get 1 equals 1. So it does check. Now I'm going to go to my next equation and do the same thing. So I'm going to put in 3, 1. So y is 1. X is 3. So these will cancel. And you can run it in your calculator if you need to. So 4 minus 3, 1 equals 1. Checks. Okay, so remember, that's how you do a check.